At FBI Buildings, we know how important your pole barn is to you. Whether it's for farming, business, or recreation, your post-frame building should stand the test of time. That's why we prioritize understanding your unique needs and offer the best solutions for your repair and renovation project. Our process starts with you. We take the time to get to know your building's current condition, what's working, and what isn't. We identify site challenges and prioritize the repairs or renovations that will make the biggest difference. Whether you're dealing with structural issues, outdated materials, or new functionality needs, we're here to listen and guide you. Once we understand your needs, our team gets to work. Our estimators develop an accurate quote, and if needed, our in-house designers and structural engineers will review your building's blueprints to ensure that your repairs and renovations are feasible. We're dedicated to delivering a design that not only solves your problems, but also enhances the long-term durability and value of your building. Once we finalize your custom solution, it's time to get started. Our construction team, led by a dedicated project manager, swings into action. Field measurements ensure all materials fit perfectly, and our trained crews work with precision to keep your project on schedule. With FBI Buildings, you can trust that your repair or renovations will be completed efficiently and effectively. Once your project is complete, you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes with our superior warranty and ongoing support. At FBI Buildings, we're committed to your satisfaction, not just during construction, but throughout the entire lifespan of your pole barn. Let us be your trusted partner for pole barn repair and renovation. Reach out today and let's start your project.